Okay, we're going to be doing this Leetcode challenge called Find the Difference. What's so different about this Leetcode challenge? Okay, let's see. Two strings, S and T. T is generated by shuffling string S, then adds one more letter at a random position. Return the letter that was added to T. Okay, so A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Okay, so let's delete this first. If it's added at a random position, then all I have to do is do one pass through T. So T is always going to be longer than S. So for I in range, when T, if S at I or T at I So first I want to know if the index, if I is less than length S, then we go there. If I is greater than length S, then we just return the last letter of T. So else and then there's the case where S equals 0. Return the first element of T. Or it's just going to add one letter. So just return T as is, which is the letter. If I is less than range, if I is less than the length of len S thing, okay, because then we don't want to get a null value. So if it is a null value, then just return the T, last element of T, then we know this is the index here. If we go A, B, C, D, E, that doesn't exist within this length. And then, if it is less than that, if T at I is not equal to S at I, because it's the same string, then return T at I. Done. Why? T at I equals S at I. Oh, if it's not, if it's not equal to, there we go. Wrong answer. What the fudge? Output Q. What the freaking? S. Adds one more letter. Return that added letter. Oh, okay. Shuffling string S. I could just make a list. Wrong answer. 6 out of 54 test cases. What's my time? 8 minutes. It is 1:27 a.m. So let's try and solve it. You just turn them into lists, and then for each element S, remove it from T, then return T. The only thing is, I don't know how long. Okay, let's try this. list t equals list t. So I turn it into a list. List s. LSDT at I is not equal to LST S at I. This is just an O of n solution. Well, it's gonna be n log n now. The only thing is, if it depends on how long this thing is. Return whatever this is. If I is less than the length of LSTS, there we go. Solved. So all I did here, and it beats 44.15% of other solutions. All I did was, I know that a new letter is being added. So there's two strings, exact same letters, except string T has one more letter than S. And they say it's shuffled and added at a random position. So what I did was, first off, if the length of S is 0, just return T as is. Because it's just going to add one letter to T, and you can just return it. Right? Otherwise, I'm going to sort these lists, because they're going to be random. And I don't know where this letter is going to be added. So if I sort these lists, they're going to be identical, except for the point at which the new letter is added in T. So if I have a duplicate, right, it's going to be, so if I have like AA, it's not going to match the position of list S. So at that point, I just return the position at list T. And then if I get to an index that's greater than the length of S, that means it's just added on to the end of T. So just add the last element. Done. And as you can see, it's accepted, beats 44.15% of other people solutions. So I'm good with that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Knologist out.